I'm going to show the HART configuration utilities of the Fluke 754 HART calibrator. I will have the HART connection routed through the milliamp measurement terminals. We'll measure the milliamp signals of the transmitter as well as power it via the loop and switch in the 250 ohm resistor automatically. First we select HART. In this instance we have the HART signal driven through the milliamp measurement terminals rather than through the separate digital connector. And the 250 ohm resistor is automatically connected in. On the initial handshake we see the tag of the transmitter, its PV, the PVAO, and its ranging, 0 to 5 psi in this example. To configure the transmitter we can go into Setup, press Enter to select Basic. We can see the tag, the PV units, we can change the tag, the PV units, and the ranging of the transmitter. We can also go into Sensor and view the sensor limits of the pressure transmitter, or if this were a temperature transmitter, we could change the temperature units from thermocouple to RTD, etc. In the service menu, we can perform a loop test. Select Loop Test, and we use the calibrator to drive the HART signal into the transmitter as a source back into the home run of the I/O. By selecting 12 milliamps and 20 milliamps, we can test and determine that the output section of the transmitter is working correctly. We can also do a pressure zero trim, output trim, and a sensor trim offline from an as found as left calibration activity. Also, in process, you can view the tag, the applied pressure, percent of range, and the temperature of the transmitter. And these are the HART communication utilities of the Fluke 754 HART calibrator.